Hey guys, welcome back to Tony's How To's. In this video, I'll be showing you how to check current password on Facebook. Before we start, hurry up and check out these offers on this video. So let's get started. So if you're looking for a way to see your current password here for your Facebook account, well, there are a few things here that you need to know and a few things that you may want to check to see if you can actually see your Facebook password. Now, in this case, first things first, let's go open up Facebook here. And we want to access the 3-bar icon or your profile icon at the top right of your screen. So let's go and just press on it. Now from here, we want to go ahead and just scroll down a bit here. And you want to expand the settings and privacy option here and just choose settings. Now, usually anything that concerns about your account, you can actually see that in the account center for Facebook. So let's go and click on see more in account center. And as you can see, there's a lot of things that you can do here. That includes password and security about your account settings. Let's go ahead and open it up. Now, the thing with this one is this is where you can actually change your password. Now, if you access the change password window here or page, as you can see, you should be able to see basically select your Facebook account. Let's go and select our Facebook account. But as you can see right now, you can not see your current password here. And also, in order for you to update your password here, you need to enter your current password. So yeah, so this is a requirement here. So if you're looking for a way to check your password via your Facebook account here, well, unfortunately, they don't necessarily give it out. So this is more of a security thing that Facebook actually implemented. So they won't be able to show you your actual password. But just in case you've forgotten your password, you can go and click on forgotten your password here, and you can just follow these steps here to recover your account. So they will be sending a code via email here to basically reset your password. So you need to access your old email address in order for you to reset your password. But if you really just want to see your actual password here, you can actually check a very specific app here. So see, but if your Facebook account has been or Facebook account's password is actually saved in your phone. So if you're not aware yet, you could actually use your browser here, specifically Google Chrome, to see your passwords that you've saved before. So how do you access that? So you want to open up your Google Chrome browser here. You want to go and click on the 3-dot option at the top right of your screen and just choose the settings option here. Now from here, you want to go and choose the Google Password Manager here. And in here, you want to go ahead and just look for facebook.com, select that. And from here, you need to basically verify yourself. But once you verify yourself here, you can just click on the eye icon here to see the password that you've set for your Facebook account in here. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.